Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Honda CR-V. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek, tech-savvy CR-V. Loaded with convenience features to make your life easier, all-weather capability, and premium styling, this small SUV is the perfect complement to your active lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, dual-zone AC, power driver seat, alarm, heated front seat, aluminum wheels. Feel confident and calm when you tackle life's daily adventures in this Honda CR-V. Come in and drive it home today.